Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the hardware and environment. Make sure the tracker has at least 50% battery and any firmware updates are applied so playback is stable. Next, position the device 1 to 2 meters from your pillow on a stable surface to capture sleep signals and deliver sound evenly. Once placed, select the white noise profile labeled for sleep and set the volume to about 40% as a baseline. This gives masking without startling you. Now move on to configuring timing and triggers. Once done with placement, configure the tracker's timing and sensor settings so the white noise works automatically. Enable your sleep schedule and set the auto start trigger for your bedtime. This avoids manual activation. Then link the ambient sensor and set microphone sensitivity to medium so movement and breathing are detected without false starts. Use the equalizer to slightly reduce high frequencies and boost low mid-tones for a warm, non-hissing sound. Make sure save settings and run a quick 5-minute test session. To finish, fine-tune the settings across a few nights. Increase or decrease volume by 5 to 10% after reviewing sleep data until you consistently fall asleep faster. Then enable a delayed stop of 15 to 30 minutes so the noise fades rather than cuts off, which helps avoid abrupt wake-ups. If you encounter problems, no sound, wonky triggers, or poor tracking, reboot the tracker and rerun the sensor calibration. This resolves most sync and detection errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.